brief was to provide a radiotherapy IT system for the radiotherapy department. One of the challenges was convincing the radiotherapy staff that this was the right thing to do. Traditionally, they would have had physical servers in the department, they would have had them under desks. And what we were going to do was transform their service, take that away and let us have the responsibility for running their service for them. As we're all hearing more and more, big data is a new buzzword. And medical imaging and radiotherapy are key areas where this is growing hugely. So the solution we put in was scoped to cope with that and be able to grow as the data grows. We also have the advantage of being able to back up the live data using Avamar, which allows quick backups for the IT point of view and very, very prompt restores should they be required.
If the system isn't available, the simple fact is with these new technologies that are there, we can't treat our patients. We either have to wait for that system to come back up, or we end up having to do what we don't ever want to do, which is send the patients home and reschedule their treatment. Since implementing the virtualised solution, we've actually had no downtime at all. It means I can actually spend more time on developing and helping develop new techniques within the department so we can actually give the very best to our patients within radiotherapy in Nottingham.
The management role now being transferred over to the IT department, and therefore we don't have to worry about data backup and data loss. Whereas before, you always were depending on having tapes working, so tapes are like they tend to fail when you least want them to. Scalability of the system is very important. We're collecting lots of data and that data needs to be kept for the lifetime of the patient. Our treatments have improved greatly over the last few months. We're now treating 15% of all our patients with IMRT, which is the cutting form of radiotherapy, and we're looking to double that in the next few months. Without these systems that would not be possible. So with these EMC solutions we don't have to worry about data archiving, we don't have to worry about backing up, we don't have to worry that the system fails at all because it's all virtualised, and if one computer goes down then another takes over.
When we're introducing new technology, we're able to audit side effects better because there's an ability to record that and retrieve that information better. So if we want to do an audit in the future, that's all there and we can retrieve the information. If we want to look at the images, that's all there in one place. If we want to look at the some of the parameters for radiotherapy, that's all there in one place. So the benefits from remote access are that I can approve a document anywhere that I want and anyone can access that information at any point in time.
What we need to understand is that the IT operation is key to the radiotherapy operation. There are three main important outcomes from this. The business wins because they reduce their operational expenses, they reduce their capital expenses, and they maintain their revenue stream. The staff win because their time is freed up from business as usual and keeping the lights on into more innovation. And more importantly, their time is released to care for patients. And ultimately the patient wins because they receive their specialist treatment swiftly and undisrupted.